Hey everybody, we're back and it is IPSY day.
IPSY day.
If you're new to our channel, thanks for coming. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back.
Anna.
She's Anna. Okay, so I think this is a lipstick, so I'm going to just pull this out first because she'll want to play with something and I don't see a palette in there. I'll put the weight in the description, but this box is 116JA20.
Mom, I'll put it in the mushroom. I like
Clean
this one.
slate. Yeah, that's your brush. Put it down. So this is Nature's Cartel lipstick in 90s nostalgia.
I got two brushes.
It is regularly $15.
Wow, $50.
Yeah.
Wow, it's so pretty.
Yeah, it is. Let's open it up and see.
Okay.
You want to sit down?
I want to sit down so white.
No, that's not Snow White. That's Belle. Sit down.
I
Oh, wow. Okay, so it said like brown mauve-y.
Wow.
Definitely
Can you
brown
try
mauve
it?
lipstick. Creamy, non-drying formula.
Can you try it, please?
This is like the color of my lips. Because my lips are dark. Okay, back up, please. You got a scratch on your face. No one wants to see that. Here.
Thank you.
Lipstick.
Yes.
You want a mirror so you can look at yourself? Let's get her settled here. There you go.
Wow.
Okay, wow. So, let me swatch it really quick.
No.
Yeah, let me just swatch it before you dive in. It looks super duper creamy. Oh, it is. It doesn't go on as creamy as it looks. Thank you. Here you go.
Wow.
So that's the color. I mean, it's nice. I might actually use that on like a regular day. Prep your lips, scrub, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and then the next thing is, okay, there's a jar. Gold Faded MD Doctor's Scrub. Ruby Crystal Microderm Exfoliation. This is $38. IPSY fave. Seaweed extract, plumping, hydronic acid. Okay.
Whoa,
Smell it.
hydronic acid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. It smells citrusy.
I'm gonna try it.
No touch. Let's see. It feels almost like a sugar scrub. I got a scrub in my Boxycharm this month. I'll link that video below. That scrub's not that good. Very creamy, not very scrubby at all. Okay. Let's see what else we got. You want me to open your eyeshadow? So you can use the mirror?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, what's this? Pureless Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Eye Adore Serum. Hydrates, intensely firms, and brightens. Decreases puffiness, all types of skin. $58. Okay, baby. This sucker is $60? What the hell does it do? I mean, it said what it just does, but really? Thank you. 4-in-1. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I just got it on my nose. It doesn't have a smell. I don't know, but it must be pretty great if it costs that much. I've never used anything from that brand, so I have no clue. The next thing is a felt liner. Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Liner in 01 I'll Be Black. $11.99.
Uh-oh.
Swatch this. I mean, I keep getting felt liners and it's like I don't even use them, so it's a regular felt liner. That's cool. I'll stick it in the box with all of the other ones I've been getting recently and not using.
Wow, Mama. It's blue, guys.
Yeah, it's blue.
It's blue eyeshadow.
Yeah, it's her blue eyeshadow. You like it?
Hmm?
Oh, I was asking the people if they liked it. And then the last item is from Hanalei, which is Hawaiian. So is this a... Oh, can you back up? Are you swatching it for them? Oh, nice. Sit down, please. Hanalei lip treatment, clear. Let's see. So Hanalei Company, $20 for this. Aloha Healthy Lips.
Okay, I did makeup.
Hello, Healthy Lips. How are you? Formulated with a unique blend of Hawaiian botanicals like kukui nut oil, alloy,
So I'll drop a lipstick.
and agave. I say agave, but it's spelled agave. Agave. We don't even have a V in our alphabet, so I'm a little confused on that one. But whatever. This Lush lip treatment instantly revives chapped lips. Okay, well, I'm cool with that because our lips are always... Oh, man, you took the whole thing out. Sheesh. Our lips are always chapped, especially hers and mine. I have lipstick on, but I want to try this, so I'm just gonna... You know what? Don't judge me. It's the inside of a black shirt. What am I gonna do here, you know? But I want to try this. Whoa, it just squirted out. So it's like Carmex. Not the one you stick your finger in, obviously the other one.
Look.
Oh, I might have put too much.
Look, Mama.
Oh, what'd you do? No. No, it's not funny. That's not funny. That's bad. That's bad. Don't do that.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. I don't know which top went to what.
Hey, this is due to makeup. Hey, wow, it's so pretty, Mom.
It feels smooth. Kind of how it's a sweet taste. Not that I want to lick my lips. Because it feels almost as smooth as Vaseline.
Wow, Mom, it's so pretty.
Oh yeah, all your makeup.
Yeah.
I mean, that's cool. I hope that it works. It really feels just like Vaseline, but has a sweet kind of aftertaste to it. I don't know. Did I say how much this is? Bless you. Regularly $20. So, cool little product. I mean, you know, I don't know. The lipstick is cool. I might wear this for like a regular day because really it is like the same color as my lips because my lips are so dark. Definitely not going to use this. Does anybody, like, what do you do with these when you don't use these kind of things? Do you just hoard them away, or do you give them to somebody or throw it away, or what do you do with them? Because I'm hoarding them and I'm getting tired of being a hoarder. The rest of the stuff is cool. I'm going to try this basically because it's expensive and I kind of like want to know. I'll try this because I try every scrub, but like I said, the Boxycharm one was not that good. Unless you have sensitive skin, and then you might like that, but I don't, so I didn't like that one at all. Also, it would be great, I know I'm not a beauty vlogger really, and you might be here for beauty vlogs, but it'd be awesome if you check out my Instagram because I'm totally doing my thing over there and I just want you to check it out. And ready to tell everybody, whoa, that is so much highlighter. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That's...
It's Tita's.
Yeah, I know it's yours, but you just got it everywhere.
What? Look, it's my lipstick.
Okay, can we tell everybody bye?
Bye.
No, we gotta say our thing.
Bye.
No, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. She don't have time for y'all today.
Mom.